Hello and welcome. Today we are going to learn about for loop in Ruby. So just going to create a new file called for.rb, and in the main.ruby file I am loading this file so it runs when I click on this run button. In the for.rb I will just use a variable num and make it equals to 10, and then I'll write a for loop. I will say for, I can give a variable like I, and I can say I in, and I will say 1, and I will give a range with double dots, that is 1 to whatever is the num value. So whatever is the value in this variable, go until here and then do, and then I will give some expression. Let us say I want to print the value of I, so this is I, and then I will say end. So this is the syntax of for loop. I will say for variable and the expression, and then do, and whatever code you want to run, and then end. Let me run this and check. So if I run this, you can see it is printing 1 to 10, but there are no spaces. So here let me try to give some space. I will put this in quotes and say hash and refer to this variable and give some spaces. Now if I run this, I will run it again, and now this is having spaces. I can also use for in maps. For example, I will say map equals to like a hashes, and or let me say an array. I will say my array equals to, and I will give something like red, orange, blue, and then if I have to use the for loop, I will say for I in my array. So for all the values in my array, I want to print the values, so I will say puts I, and then I will say end. Let me also add a puts here so it goes to the next line, and if I run this, you will see it is printing all these values in my array. So these are some of the uses of for loop, and in the exercise write a Ruby program to do addition of first n natural numbers using for loop. So try this out and let me know in the comments. I will meet you in the next session. Thank you for watching.